Hey friends, welcome to Perfect Trainer Days. Trainer Bhargav again with this new video on 7-day spoken English challenge. Friends, you will be surprised to know that 80% people who start English learning program at home give up within first 1 week. Do you know why? This is because they take English learning as a very boring process. But today in this video, I'll give you 5 fun tips to magically improve your English within 7 days. So let's begin. Tip number 1, just a minute. In simple, a jam session. This process is so effective that it is advised by most English trainers all over the world. Now, what is this jam session? In this jam session, we choose a topic and speak on that topic for 1 minute without preparation. You can choose any topic of your choice. Friends, family, sports or travel, but make sure you speak on that topic for 1 minute continuously without repeating your ideas. It will be much better if you can speak in front of the mirror. Tip number 2, watch English movies and listen to English songs. If you like watching movies, go ahead. Watch movies and video contents with simple English. Preferably watch cartoons, as the English used here is very simple. Through this practice, you will improve your listening skills as well as your vocabulary. Now, if you like listening to music, then listen to English songs and try to learn the lyrics. It will be much better if you sing along. Through this practice, you will improve your listening skills as well as your pronunciation, and all this while enjoying your singing. In simple, do anything, but make sure you enjoy your English learning process. Tip number 3, read aloud. Through this practice, you will have 3 benefits. 1, it will improve your pronunciation. 2, it will improve your grammar. And 3, it will improve your vocabulary. Read children's storybooks in English. Now, why am I suggesting storybooks, not newspapers or novels? Because the English that is used in newspapers or novels might be difficult for beginners. So to start with, read children's storybooks in English, but make sure you read it aloud. Tip number 4, write every night. Make a habit of writing every night. Write at least for 10 minutes about what you did throughout the day. You met someone new, you did new activity, you visited a new restaurant, or you watched a new movie. Make sure you write about it. Keep adding new phrases and words every time you write. This will improve your writing skills as well as your overall English skills. And also, it will give you the pleasure of maintaining a diary. Tip number 5, make English speaking friends. You cannot change the people around you, but you can definitely change the people you choose to be around. There is no point wasting most of your time with people with different set of goals. Try to mingle with people who wants to develop themselves, who wants to improve their communication. Through this way, you will make some English speaking friends and you will develop faster. So next time, whenever you gossip with your friends, make sure it's in English. Last golden tip, don't be shy. If you want to speak in English, don't think about what others have to say, because it will make you more conscious and nervous. So be brave and start speaking in English without any hesitation. Friends, if you like this video, kindly like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos like this. And if you have any doubts related to this video, kindly write in the comments below. I'll try to reply. All the best.